Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. It's your auntie Ling, what you saying? So in today's video, I've got a very special guest. So today's video, me and Nathan, we're gonna do a little ASOS try on haul. The only thing is, he's the one who bought all my clothes and I have no idea what he bought. So I gave Nathan a budget of £200 to buy whatever he wants off of ASOS for me. However, I'm most likely gonna refund him all though.
I'll refund them all, eh?
I might.
I did good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it was not a joke. I didn't buy bad outfits, but maybe I should do that next time.
We'll see about that. So I'm now gonna give this parcel to Nathan. He's gonna open it up and just like pass me any outfit that he fancies to give me, and then I'm gonna try them on and pray for the best. I saw yellow. I saw yellow! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What did he get me? What did he get me? Oh.
Don't read it.
Don't read it, just put it on.
Yeah, just put it on.
I'm gonna go try this on now.
What?
Why are you laughing? Is this a dress?
Is she naked?
Stop it!
Woo!
Shush! What? There's a zip in here as well. Why is there a zip?
I actually don't remember the outfit.
You don't remember buying any
Wait,
of these
I'll
outfits?
see it when you put it on and I'll be like,
Oh,
yes, now I
shit,
remember.
that's why it's got a zip. Baby, it doesn't fit me!
You're size 8, you said you were size 8?
Yes, I'm a size 8. Oh, it goes all the way down, that's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah, it's nice. Don't stand on it.
Oh my god. What made you buy this outfit?
I don't know, it looked nice.
What, on the model?
Yeah. You don't like it?
I don't know how I feel. It's not something I would pick.
Yeah, it's not your style, but it still looks good on you.
So you know it's not my style?
Yeah.
But you still bought it?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you like about this outfit then?
Like that it's shoulderless.
Shoulderless. And it does nothing for my figure.
What are you talking about? It looks nice on you because your legs.
It does nothing.
It's not supposed to be fitting. What are you doing?
Does nothing for my figure.
It's not supposed to.
It is.
It's a nice summery, cool dress.
It's an okay outfit. I personally wouldn't have had bought it myself. I am refunding this. It's not for me.
Okay.
But you like it though.
Yeah.
And you think I should keep it?
Yeah.
I don't know how I feel. It just feels a little bit. I don't know. It just feels a bit weird to have this. Like, I mean, I love tops like this, but not as a play suit. I mean, imagine trying to go to the toilet in there. I have to zip all of this, take all of this off, then go sit down. It just feels a bit weird, which is why I don't really wear play suits.
Alright, next one.
Right, you're gonna tell me to take this off though.
No. You didn't like it, so no. Help yourself.
Oh my god, there's so much colour. He got me so much colour. Outfit number 2. Like a yellowy orange. It looks thick though. There's like a thick fabric. Okay, so I'm now gonna go ahead and just try this on. What? Okay. Okay. What the fuck? Oh. Why is this such a technical dress?
I don't know.
Oh my god. How much was this even?
I don't remember.
Oh.
Oh, you look pretty. You look like a
It's
flower.
not even on!
You look like a flower.
I did not look like a flower.
You look like a yellow flower.
Shut up.
Oh, ooh.
That's
It's
not-
nice.
Oh
It looks
my
nice.
God. I don't even think my arms can fit in
Yeah,
this.
it can. Oh my god.
What? What?
When you looking at that, model it properly.
Oh my god. Oh! I felt a little rip. So this is what it looks like, full length. Why did you get this dress?
Does it look nice?
On the model?
Well, yeah, obviously.
I don't know how I feel about this.
Yeah, it's not as fitting.
It's
around
not as
the,
flattering.
Yeah, it needs to be a little bit more tighter around the waist.
Honestly, babe, the sleeves.
You look
Stop laughing. Stop it.
You look like a one of those old time princesses.
Da, 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 da. Prince Charming. Na, na, na.
What do you think?
I don't know how I feel.
I like it initially. I just think if it looked better if it was like tighter around the waist.
more snatched.
Okay. Apart from that, it's nice. The colour's nice.
The colour is nice. I like the top part. I think this would be really cute if it was just a top. It sounds like you just did a massive fart.
Sure.
Do you know what? I like the top part, I just don't like the bottom part. I do feel a bit like Belle.
Oh yeah.
Like modern day Belle dress. Oh yeah, I like this part. When I first took it out of the bag, I was like, what the hell is this? Like, what? And then when I put it on, I was just like, okay, I understand it now.
Just a bit too creasy.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
well creasy. Doesn't really do much for my bum though. It looks like gym wear.
Hurry up.
It looks like gym wear.
Go get naked.
No, I want to like open it up and... He got me Nike. He got me Nike. Okay, so he got me Nike. It's gotta be sports bra and leggings, or sports bra and shorts, I'm hoping. Oh, it's shorts. These are cute. Oh my god, how cute is that? Perfect. Love the colour as well. Guys, I'm gonna be real with you. It is so hot in here. We are literally filming in, I think, like 30 degrees. I am not joking. And putting on gym wear when you're sweating is not easy. It's gonna be like all like tight and oh, it feels so good to be naked. This is gonna be a struggle to put on. Oh, you must feel good about it. It's so hard to put on. Oh my god, guys, my back is sweating. Ah!
Nipples.
Shh. No, my nipples look so weird in this. I can't put it on. Why are you not? Why are you laughing? Stop laughing at me! That was a mission. Oh my god, guys, it's finally on. I ruined it already because I put tan on, and because I'm sweating, it transferred onto my clothing. Okay, once it's on, it is nice. So far, this is my favorite outfit.
You like it? I like it.
I like it.
Is it squat proof?
Squat proof, let's see. Okay, so this is outfit number 3. This is my favorite one by far.
Don't read it. That's cheating.
I'm not reading it.
You
I'm
are.
examining the fabric.
Examine it outside of this package.
Okay, fine. What? I feel like you got me grandma clothing apart from the gym wear. Babe, what is this? So big.
Size 8.
Okay. What?
It looks like nothing.
Well, it looks like a what?
Nothing, just try it on.
This feels like a freaking curtain.
Tie it up, babe. God.
How do you tie it up?
You know how to tie a knot?
But how, what, like this?
I don't know.
Oh, do I do it at the front?
Try both.
I try at the front. Oh. So I do it like this. Ooh.
Like it now?
Not really. I don't understand the concept of this outfit. So this is how it looks. And I'm not so sure how I feel about it. It just feels like, I don't know, it's not really my style, babe. I feel like when we have kids, if we have a little girl, I'm styling her. I'm just saying. He's like nodding. Okay, how do you feel about this outfit on me?
No, I don't like the back.
I don't like this at all. We are returning this. I want my money back. What made you think this looked good on me?
Oh, you know the answer to that.
No, I don't.
Look good on a model.
Are you really think it will look good on me?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm very good at styling Nathan. I am so good at styling you. I find so many cute clothes for you, and when it comes, does it not look good on you?
Sometimes.
Most of the time.
Sometimes.
Most of the time.
Sometimes.
Most of the time.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a no. Okay, next outfit. I feel like I need a baby and this would just, the whole entire outfit would just look good. Alright guys, so Nathan got me another black outfit. This looks like trousers without a top though. Ooh, this is like my outfit. Wait, hold on, I might take that back. Oh actually, an outfit that might look good on me.
Oh my god.
Outfit changes are not easy. This is not made for petite people because look, very tight. I feel like I should have got, well, you should have got a size 10, but how would you know? Oh my god. It's okay.
Compliments your figure.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh.
To the front.
Does it compliment my figure, guys? Does it? I just don't like the bottom part. I think the bottom part sucks. And the material, yo, this material is not okay. It should be like more lighter and cottony. I like the top part, I'm just not a fan of the bottom part. Do you like it?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
I don't know, you look good in it. Makes your figure look good.
Okay. I look like I've got little chicken legs, like, honestly. I don't know, I feel like this outfit doesn't make my legs look good. Like, look at this part. Look, I've got a long fanny. Okay, last but not least, we're down to the last outfit, guys. This looks really cute. I love the colour orange. Ooh. Oh, okay. I think Nathan nailed this one. This is really cute. So this is a play suit and it's orange and it's from Misguided. So if you guys don't know, ASOS have Misguided, Boohoo. I think they have Pretty Little Thing as well. So this makes me happy. Oh my god, I love this outfit. It is so cute. So this is a play suit and it's got like little shorts as well. It's got a little belt with it. I don't know how to put the belt on properly, but I'm just gonna improvise. I love this. This is probably the best outfit. This and the Nike gym piece. Those two out of how many outfits that he got are the best ones.
It's not bad then, is it? To pick something that you like.
2 outfits out of 5.
Yeah, that's not bad.
It would have been nice if it was a bit more. Now we're gonna have to return everything. He's like, whatevs. I love this. I just love how like breathable this is as well. And it's just very like, you know, it's like outgoing, but at the same time you can wear it like during the day. So you're going out throughout the day, right? And you're going out clubbing afterwards. This is the perfect outfit. Like you just put on some trainers and it's casual, and you put on some heels and it's like bam, so glamorous. I'm living for this. This is what it looks like full length. Whoa. I love it so much. Oh yeah. And I love how it's V-neck as well, so it kind of shows off your tatas a little bit. So if you got like really small boobs like me, this might be the outfit for you because it kind of gives you that little bit of something. What do you think of this outfit, babe?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
I'm keeping this. Oh, it's got pockets as well. Woo! Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed our little duo. I've seen so many people who do like girlfriend-boyfriend challenges and I thought, why not do one together? Don't forget to follow Nathan as well on Instagram. He helps me take all my Instagram pictures and he edits all my videos as well. Wow.
Subscribe, like, bell button.
Subscribe, like, bell button as well. Let me know what other videos you would like both of us to do. We definitely want to do like one video together a month on our channel. So yeah, let me know what other challenges or what you guys want to see from us. And then do you want to do... Love you guys. Bye.
No.
Come on, you know you want to. Okay, what are you going to do then?
Bye!
Love you guys, bye! Bye!